Okay. Hello. I've decided to take on my first furniture repair project. I've decided to take on my first furniture refurbished project. It came from my boyfriend's parents' basement. They were getting rid of a beautiful mid-century sideboard, and I decided, okay, let's do it. So follow my experience. There was definitely humps and bumps. There was definitely plenty of things I needed to learn. The furniture piece was definitely in need of some loving care. It's filthy dirty. There's chips everywhere on it, scratches everywhere on it. I needed an update. It's been a journey. It's been fun, and I am very excited to take on my next one. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. I'm happy to see you here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please like, please enjoy. Let's continue. Here, we're missing some of the gold. And my original plan was to just get like something similar that I can stick in and then paint gold. But I went a bit wild now with the wood filler. I was thinking maybe I can just stick it in and sand it down. I mean, we'll see what happens. I really recommend wearing glasses if you have any. It's a big mistake I've made. Or if you don't have any, go out and buy some. Hello, hello, hello. It is day 2. We're painting today. Yesterday I did manage to finish all the sanding, so that's done at least. It's cleaned off and we're ready to go. Maybe when it's all finished it'll start to look a bit nicer, but for now I don't really like it. I said to Leon, I'm gonna go bold, I'm gonna try some green. I'm not liking the green. Today we're going to put the top coat on and then we are finished with painting, thank God. Oh. What the actual fudge? Okay, the instructions say that I should be using a brush, not a roller, so let's see if that makes a change. Wish me luck. I'm gonna leave streaks now. It says you can add some white spirits in if you need it to be a little bit thinner. Okay, we've added some white spirits and it seems a little bit more liquidy. Take 3. Guys, talk about this being a learning curve. So we did a few different testing areas. I don't know if you can really tell here. This was with a roller and it's quite hard to tell, but it's kind of streaky. And then it was a bit thick, so we added some white spirits and this is what happened. Template idea. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And then to cut it, I go like this.
No, you go
Like
like
this.
this,
Like
this.
when your boyfriend's an engineer, you take advantage.
How wide you want the bottom to be? 1?
Leon, he's good with calculations. I, on the other hand, I'm not. It's just that one, is it? That's causing the issue?
Both, but they're now in level, so they're the same.
Okay. I finished it, I did it, I'm very happy, very proud of it, it looks great. It was very challenging at times, we got through it, I learned along the way. If you have any tips or tricks for me, please let me know, because I definitely am going to take on some further projects. The top coat I used, I scratched it in the end. I was like, no, we're not using this. It just didn't work out, I didn't like the finish of it. It was a varnish top coat matte, I don't know, but I really wasn't. It was like sticky glue, and I just couldn't get it looking right. So I sanded it down lightly with it's like a 40 grit sandpaper and a little bit of water, just so I got everything even. Took that top coat off, and then I went back over it with a lick of paint again. And I used a spray enamel top coat just to go over everything, and that worked out fine. I was really happy with that result. All in all, look, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I did it. It's done. It looks great. Let me remind you of how it used to look. Without further ado, here you are. Hello, how are you? Thank you for watching. I would love if you'd like and subscribe so that I know somebody's watching out there. Thank you. Bye.